Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome back to Aaraadhy'official. So, today is day 4 of our challenge for 30 minutes walk for 30 days. So, I'm late today, 15 minutes than regular. Sorry for that. And I'm walking on another side of the platform because the train is coming on the platform which I used to walk daily. Let me show you. And yes, I thought the Mathura Express. So from here, 400 meters left. So one side of the distance. So I'll show you the finishing point after that. So we cover the finishing point. So going back to home from here. So meet in the second part. Bye.